Today, I will share a simple preparation strategy that's proven to maximize GATE scores of without coaching student. Along with it, I'll share the best free GATE resources required for complete preparation for all streams. Step 1. Subject sequence. Let me give GATE syllabus overview and proven best subject sequence for all streams. To understand its importance, let me share a true incident. By the way, I am Rahuram MTech alum of IIT Madras. In 2018, I completed my BTech without a job. 12 lakhs of parents' money I wasted because I studied only a day before sem exam and vomit in it. So post BTech, when I started GATE preparation, I know nothing about engineering and I studied Maths as my starting project. When I finished Maths and gave a subject test, I scored 4.33 out of 50. But beauty of Maths is it's linked with all technical subjects. So I prioritized and revised it sufficiently while completing syllabus. That led me to get good at Maths. But if I had studied Maths at last, it would have been one of my underconfident subjects and I would have struggled grasping concepts of other subjects. The total GATE syllabus we can categorize into aptitude, maths and technical, where aptitude has 15 marks weightage, maths around 13 marks, technical 72 marks. Scoring 28 out of 28 in aptitude and maths will alone get you above qualifying marks. For reference, this is the GATE 2026 official cutoff marks and it makes you stand out from the 85% aspirants who's disqualifying each year. The technical subject we can categorize into base, intermediate and advanced. I once interviewed Aditya, a GATE topper. He gave a simple example.
Computer science. So the basic subjects are C programming, data structures, and there is digital logic, and there is engineering maths. So these are the basic subjects to start with. These are the base. Once you are good in C programming, then you can study data structures. Once you're familiar with data structures, then you can go with algorithm.
You get the context right. I researched and organized the best subject sequence for all major stream. This is for mechanical, EC, CS, chemical, DA, civil. And in the later parts, I will share best free resources to master all of these subjects. Step 2. The strategy. This is Amandeep. He prepared without coaching. During his preparation, by December end means just 1 month left for exam. He had completed just 60% syllabus. Even in his first test,
उसमें मेरे around 20-25 marks आए थे.
But did you know in final exam he got 78 marks and secured all India rank 51? How? Let me reveal 2 cheat codes that maximized his GATE scores. After his graduation, Amandeep left his job and started GATE preparation. But by the time he started preparation, he had just 6 months left. I don't know why, but he decided to prepare GATE with free resources. Now the problem with free resources is free resources aren't organized. Adding on that, he didn't have the awareness of subject sequence. Fast forward, by December end, he covered just 60% syllabus and in his first full length test, he scored 25 marks. But in the month of January, I don't know whether he took a New Year resolution or not, he just gave 40 full length tests.
You said you took like 40-50 mocks in Jan. So every day you were giving 2-3 mocks.
2 full length mock tests and then analyzing.
That became the reason for his greatest comeback. So cheat code number 1. Follow a strict timeline and prioritize full length test in final phase. Let me share quickly the best timeline to follow. The goal is to finish the entire syllabus by November end, including practice of previous year questions and creation of short notes. While this phase, if you realize you are lagging behind, increase your study hours. The month of December and January should be dedicated exclusively to revision and full length test series. Cheat code number 2. Amandeep, while giving his 40 to 50 full length mock test, he realized
50% subjects 80 to 90% marks carry करते हैं.
High weightage topics. Recently, I researched on high weightage topics of all streams from credible sources and I shared the complete details in this video. Don't ignore it. And this is also why in the final phase, I recommend aspirants to schedule first 45 minutes in their routine for solving maths and aptitude problems because that will ensure solid 28 marks in GATE. In the next step, we'll talk through best free resources, but I recommend purchasing at least one good test series, ideally 2, as it will expose you to different variety of questions. B. Purchase maths and aptitude previous year books because despite its weightage, I often came across students ignoring it. What is the one thing that you would change?
I did not prepare for aptitude as such. That is why one negative marking that I have got was in the verbal aptitude.
And this will maximize your scores. For this, I recommend Oswaal books Maths and Aptitude PYQ books with Oswaal AI, GATE Industries' first AI-powered learning system. The book gives simple yet effective explanation for all the chapters and topics of maths and aptitude. The book is well organized. By each chapter end, past 17-year GATE questions is given, followed by detailed solutions. The AI platform is personal subject matter expert. I asked it to explain a concept of maths in simple terms. The AI explained it convincingly. I asked it to create end questions from that topic that helps me to solidify the topic. The AI creates a comprehensive set of questions covering the complete topic. Beyond it, for fast, efficient revisions, we can create a totally customized quiz for our desired chapters. The links for these books in description. These two purchases, I believe, will maximize the outputs of our GATE preparation. Step 3. Free resources. I organized best free resources that's sufficient for complete GATE preparation for all major stream in a sheet. But there is a strategy to maximize this sheet. On the top, I attached the preparation timeline that we discussed. Below that, I organized all best free resources. Here is where we need to be careful. Let me share a true incident. A few months ago, I interviewed Aditya. If we look at GATE exam scenario, roughly 85% aspirants gets disqualified. Some gets decent score, few become toppers, and in these toppers, some toppers took 2 to 3 years to get their desired rank. Few aspirants get their desired rank in first attempt, and very few aspirants get their desired rank in 6 months. But to me, Aditya is above all, because Aditya not just got his desired rank in his first attempt with 6 months preparation, but he was from a different stream, LAC, but prepared GATE in CS, eventually All India rank 379 and IIT Bombay. During his preparation, Aditya completed his syllabus in 4.5 months, and the reason, he bought recorded lectures from a coaching institute and learned at 1.5x to 2x speed. That fastened up his syllabus completion. The same way we can learn faster through YouTube playlist. Hence, I recommend using it as the primary source. But not every playlist covers complete topics of a subject. Hence, I recommend this 3-step method to cover the complete syllabus. Step 1. Download and take a printout of official GATE syllabus. For easy reference, you can access your stream syllabus via this QR code. Step 2. While studying each subject with YouTube playlist, strike out topics that had been covered in the playlist. Step 3. The missed topics, specifically search for it in YouTube or AI. In rare cases, if you aren't able to get the conceptual clarity, use standard reference books given in the free resources sheet. Now this QR code will give access to best free GATE resources of CS, DA, E, Elect, Mechanical, Civil and Chemical. Step 4. Daily routine. Let me be very open. Most without coaching students never get their dream rank in 1 year. Asif Hassan, GATE Mechanical All India rank without coaching.
Already in third semester, actual material starts to kick in.
Hitesh Popli, GATE CS All India rank without coaching.
Hitesh started its preparation from the 5th semester.
But those few who achieved it,
Once you're into GATE preparation, it's a full day.
मैं 3 चीजों में डिवाइड करता था, सोने में, खाने और जिम में, एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज पढ़ाई में.
they are just obsessed with their GATE preparation. So to achieve, we must be willing to get obsessed with GATE preparation. If you are looking for scientific strategy to build a daily routine, few months back, I started using a notebook to plan my daily timetable that tricked my brain addicted to hard work. Copy the strategy here.